Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Bondiship. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 7 of annual term, and today's SW number will be 7 also. My dear student, our today's topic name exercise 5.2 algebraic fractions. From that chapter we shall solve question number 14, and question number 14 we shall solve C, Z and I as your CW, and question number F and H will be your SW. I have already written that question on the board. The question is divide, that means divide first fraction by second fraction. First fraction by second fraction. Before starting to solve this math, at first we need to know what do we mean by division of one fraction by another fraction. Suppose this is a fraction which is 2 by 4 and another one is 3 by 8. Okay. So what do you mean by this fraction? Division of one fraction by another fraction means what? Division of one fraction by another fraction means the multiplication of first fraction with the reverse of the second fraction. That means first fraction remains unchanged, 2 by 4, and this division will be multiplication, and the second fraction will be reverse. That means denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. So 8 by 3. Now we do card, that means in 8 and 4 both number is card by the number 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So here 2 twos are 4 and 3 ones are 3. So 4 by 3 is the required answer of this question. Just like this one, we need to solve C, Z and I. So at first we solve question number C. 14, question number C. Divide first fraction by the second fraction. Here 21 a to the power 4, b to the power 4 and c to the power 4 divided by 4x cube, y cube and z cube divided by 7a square, b square, c square, a square, b square and c square divided by 12x, y, z. Okay, so 21 a to the power 4, b to the power 4, c to the power 4 divided by 4x cube, y cube, z cube. Dear student, division of first fraction by the second fraction means multiplication of the first fraction with the reverse of the second fraction. That means this multiplication division will be multiplication and it is reverse. That means denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. That means 12xyz is the numerator, and on the other hand numerator 7a square, b square, c square will be the denominator. 7a square, b square and c square. Now we notice, that means we do card. Here you notice 12xyz and 4x cube, y cube, z cube. Both number is card by 4xyz, right? If we card this 12xyz by 4xyz, then we get 3 only. If we card this 4x cube, y cube, z cube by 4xyz, then we get x square, y square, z square. I hope you have understood. Next, 21 a to the power 4, b to the power 4 and c to the power 4, and here 7a square, b square, c square. Notice both number is card by the number 7a square, b square and c square. If we divide 7a square, b square, c square by 7a square, b square, c square, then we get 1. If we divide this 21 a to the power 4, b to the power 4 and c to the power 4 by 7a square, b square and c square, then we get 3a square, b square, c square. As a numerator, that is 3a square, b square, c square is multiplied with 3, and it will be 3 3s are 9, a square, b square and c square. And as a denominator, there are x square, y square, z square is multiplied with 1, and it is x square, y square, z square. It is the answer of questions number C. I hope you have understood. Next, we shall solve question number Z. Question number Z, at first you pick up this question on the board. Question number Z is a cube plus b cube divided by a minus b divided by a square minus ab plus b square by a square minus b square. Okay. At first, we write the formula of factors of a cube plus b cube. What is the formula? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So, write it a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and here we write a minus b. Okay, this division sign is here. After that, we write this a square minus ab plus b square. So, a square minus b square formula. What is the formula of a square minus b square? It is a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now, division of first fraction by the second fraction means multiplication of the first fraction with the reverse of the second fraction. Okay, a minus b multiply reverse, that means a plus b into a minus b divided by a square minus ab plus b square. Now notice this a square minus ab plus b square and this a square minus ab plus b square, both number cut by the number a square minus ab plus b square, and we get 1, and here also 1. A plus b not cut, a minus b both divisible by a minus b, we get 1, and here 1 also. So notice as a numerator there is a plus b multiply 1 multiply a plus b multiply 1, and it will be a plus b whole square, and as a denominator there is 1 multiply 1, and it is 1. So it is negligible because we know that every number has a denominator which is 1. So a plus b whole square is the required answer of question number C. And our last question, question number I, which is I number x square minus 6 minus 30 divided by x square minus 36, x square plus 13x plus 40 divided by x square plus x minus 56. Dear student, we solve this. Before solving this, at first we pick up this 14 I number x square minus x minus 30 divided by x square minus 36 divided by x square plus 13x plus 40 by x square plus x minus 56. So my dear student, at first we convert this numerator and denominator into factors. After converting factors, then we do division. That means we convert that division into multiply sign, and the second fraction will be reversed. So first of all, we convert numerator and denominator both into factors. So how can we convert here x square minus x minus 30? That means we convert this into factors by using middle term breaking method. So you notice the constant term is here 30, and it is contain negative sign. This negative sign means the middle term break by subtracting. So here you notice 5 and 6 is the factor of 30. So if we write this as x square minus 6x plus 5x, that means we do subtraction minus 30, and we get minus 6. On the other hand, if we multiply this minus 6 with 5, then we get minus 30. Okay, here this can be written as x square, and 6 is the square root of 36 is the square root of 6. So 6 square means 36. Division. It is also this fraction is also converted into factors by using middle term break method. X square plus 13x plus 40. This plus sign means we do addition. Here 40. 8 and 5 is the factor of 40. So if we multiply 8 with 5, then we get 40. If we add 8 with 5, then we get 30. So x square plus 8x plus 5x plus 40. On the other hand, x square plus x minus 56. Here this constant term contains negative sign. So we can easily find that this middle term break by doing subtraction. That means 8 and 7 both is multiplied by both is multiplied and we get 56. But if we subtract plus 8 from plus 8 minus 7, then we get 1. Okay, so that means x square plus 8x minus 7x minus 56. So here x is common and left x minus 6. 5 is common, left x minus 6, and it is a square b square formula. That means x plus 6 into x minus 6 divided by x is common, left x plus 8. Here 5 is common, left x plus 8. Here x common, left x plus 8, and minus 7 common, left x plus 8. So here x minus 6, x plus 5, x plus 6, x minus 6 divided by x plus 8, x plus 5. Here x plus 8, x minus 7. Okay, now x minus 6, x plus 5, x plus 6 into x minus 6, and this division sign will be the multiplication sign and the second fraction will be reversed. That means x plus 8, x minus 7, x plus 8, x plus 5. Notice this x plus 8, x plus 8 are card, x plus 5 and x plus 5 are card, x minus 6 and x minus 6 are card. Here you notice x minus 7 left and denominator x plus 6. Okay, it is the answer of this question. My dear student, from the same chapter of same question number 14, you have to solve question number F and H as your SW. My dear student, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. You must do your assigned SW in SW copy, submit it regularly in our school campus in every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.